Sit down.
Damn, don't get that pig. Damn, baby, you gonna get a charge, baby. For real, baby, don't hit that. Man, you gonna get a charge, baby. For real, baby. Damn. Shit. She gonna get a damn charge. You got capital in train, baby. You gonna get you a train. You gonna get you a charge. Man, hey, look at him. You don't know what you're talking about, man. Don't say that to me, bro. So what? All that on my feet, bro. I don't even want to understand you. I don't know you no more. Get to you, my nigga. Mind your own business. Now, look at him. Mind your own business, nigga. Don't tell you that, nigga. Mind your own business, bro. Before I get the police on your ass. Real. Yeah, what it is with me? Yeah, what it is with me, man? Don't come close to me, bro. I don't play that shit, bro. I don't play that shit, bro. Real, man. Mind your goddamn business, man. You trying to get it with that damn nigga. You on the damn train, something like you nigga, look at him. I didn't want to be played with it. Yeah, what it is with me. Real. I carry your ass up through if I had time, but I gotta goddamn go to work, nigga. If I had time, I carry your ass up through here. Real. Hey, man, you have a good day. All right. Nigga, I carry your ass up through here. If I had time, right? Because I don't play no games with no nigga, right? I will see about your ass. I will make sure, nigga, that me, myself, and I, nigga, I will see about your ass. I will make sure that you deal with the deal with me. I don't play no game with no nigga, boy. I only play with my goddamn own self. Yeah, what it is. So mind your own damn business. Speak when you need to be speaking. Mind your own business. That's what I'm doing. That's what I was doing, nigga. You don't hit no damn child in front of me, nigga. Look at him. Okay, baby, they got cameras on this motherfucker.
Shit, he getting out here his ass back. He mine.
Yeah, what it is, baby.
That's wrong with his damn shit. He better get an ass whooping everything.
Now, I'm just telling you, baby, I wasn't going out because you did, but I'm saying they got cameras on motherfucker. And then, what I'm saying, man, fuck you, nigga. I'll fuck your ass up, nigga. Fuck your ass up, nigga. Pussy ass, nigga. Get your motherfucking ass on close to me, nigga. I will do your motherfucking ass, nigga. Nigga, I'm by my goddamn self, nigga. Your spring. My conversation get your motherfucking ass, nigga. Yeah, what it is with me, nigga. You step close to me, nigga, I will goddamn call the law on your motherfucking ass so goddamn fast, nigga. You will understand me, nigga. Don't play with me, boy. You ain't nothing to play with, boy. You better go out and goddamn find your goddamn place to motherfucking stay, boy. And I will get your place to stay, nigga. Keep fucking with your boy. Fuck with your boy.
This is the end of the line. Please exit the train. Thank you for riding MARTA.
So goddamn fast, nigga. I have my son there to keep your motherfucking ass. Nigga, you better leave the hell alone, nigga. I don't know nothing about your ass. Get the fuck on, boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. I call my goddamn bodyguard to beat your motherfucking ass, nigga. I ain't got to do a damn thing, nigga. Yeah, what it is with me, nigga. Pussy ass nigga on the train begging. Yeah, what it is with me, nigga. Find your goddamn job, you motherfucking undercover ass nigga. Get monster ass nigga. I got a rock for your ass, nigga. I'm gonna shake him back. Nigga, you bitch ass nigga. I'm calling you a bitch. Yeah. Nigga, in front of your motherfucking face. I'll beat the hell out of your ass. Chain style, nigga. I'll beat the hell out of your ass. Pussy ass nigga. I'm calling pussy ass nigga.
That name don't affect me. I'm a grown ass man.
I know you're a grown ass. Suck ass.